Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your credit card in Robinhood for trading deposits, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize your credit card in Robinhood for trading deposits, begin by opening the Robinhood app on your device. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Transfer or Funding. Select this option to initiate the funding process. You will see the option to add a bank account or credit card. Choose Add Credit Card to start the authorization process. Enter your credit card number in the designated field. Proceed by filling in the expiration date and the security code found on the back of your card. Make sure to input the billing address associated with your credit card accurately. After entering all required information, review it for correctness. If everything looks good, tap on the Next button to continue. You may be prompted to complete a verification step. This could involve receiving a code via SMS or email, depending on your account settings. Once you receive the code, enter it in the provided field. After successful verification, you will see a confirmation message indicating your credit card has been added. You can now use this credit card to make trading deposits on Robinhood. If you encounter any issues, revisit the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Robinhood support for assistance. Now you are ready to fund your trading account using your authorized credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.